Good morning, everyone. I hope you had an enjoyable weekend. Was a little cold and rainy some of the days, but here we are. Welcome back. This video just wants to show you kind of what you're going to explore today. I know it's our first day together. I know we don't know each other super well yet, but I do want to take Wednesday to try to help us get to know each other a little bit better. So today and tomorrow and Thursday and Friday, you're just going to learn some skills and just kind of how do we use the resources Mr. P has. So what you're going to explore is I'm going to share my Google Classroom with you. Some of you may have already checked it out because you noticed the hallway from some of your other classes. Maybe you checked out mine, Mr. Poliquin, for science. But you guys are going to check out my Bitmoji classroom. I have two screens. You'll notice there's only kind of 1-2 major differences. But if you check the directions here on the projector screen, you guys are going to check out all the whiteboard icons by clicking on each picture, and it's your job to figure out where they all go. Okay? Some of them are very, very necessary. Some of them are more for fun. We will use a bunch of these through the year. Okay? So you'll notice that there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different icons in the whiteboard that you just need to be comfortable using. Okay? Check out where each 6 of them go. Get yourself more familiar with the classroom. If you want to check the next slide, you can do it too, but you'll see that each link takes you to the same place as the first one. So this picture here on this slide will take you to the same place as the picture here on the next slide. Okay? That's what I want you to explore today. Get comfortable with it. And I'll tell you a sneak peek for this last one here. This is a picture of an atom with its electrons kind of circling and orbiting around its nucleus. There are some pretty cool things that you can kind of look up on, read, anything that you're interested in. Check out that link. Okay? Otherwise, that's really it for today. If you have any questions, please send me an email. You might get an email from me if you're not registered in the class yet, but then you won't see this video, so don't even worry about that. I look forward to hearing from you. Can't wait till Wednesday, but your assignment today, again, just as the last reminder, there are 6 different icons in the whiteboard here. Where do they all take you? Okay, where do they all take you? You'll explore that. I will also be sharing with you an exit ticket for today. So make sure that after you explore, you finish the exit ticket. That's what you're going to do today. It will be posted here momentarily. Bye.